Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable network file system NFS on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable network file system NFS on Windows 11 computer, go to search and in search type Windows features. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Now scroll down. Here you'll find Services for NFS. Just click on it and then expand it and click Administrative Tools, and if you want you can enable Client for NFS also. Now click on OK. Now applying changes. Windows completed the required changes. Now close Windows features. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu, click on Power, and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope NFS service is enabled on your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.